Matthew 4 verse 4, it is written, man shall not live on bread alone, but on every word that comes from the mouth of God.
Whispers rise like morning dew. A soft glow breaks the sky in two. Each step I take feels wholly new. The air hums low, a sacred tune. Hope ignites beneath the moon. Daily bread, the strength I seek, a light that mends, a voice so meek. Daily bread, it lifts, it feeds, fills the soul, meets all my needs.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily Bread, version 2. This new version brings a fresh tone, but the same message, that God provides our daily bread every single day. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which one touches your heart more? The first version or this one? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. I truly value your feedback. If this song